So, I think now you can hear my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Asta, this is the SAP screen. Okay, so whenever we are opening any screen, okay, in the SAP, so today the first class will be about the how the screen and how the option, whatever the option are available, and when we are going to log in. Okay, so what kind
Okay.
of a screen you can see. Okay, so here you can
Okay.
see that login screen. So whenever you are going to log in the SAP, okay, so you have your own credential. We call it SAP user ID and SAP password. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
for login we have to click the login button. Okay, and then here the user ID and password is required to log in. Okay, so
Okay.
uh, there are two in the production system. Because I am using the test system, there are some mandatory setting is there. If we use 3 time wrong credential, our id is become block. Okay, so
Okay.
we need to take very care about the using the wrong credential. If we are using, or it should not be more than 2 times, because it's will be blocked, and then only SAP admin responsible person has the authorization to open that user ID and password. Okay,
Okay, sir.
because this is the real system. So this is the way to someone to take a precaution as a prerequisite to remember their credential, or if they are not sure, so they can discuss with the admin ID to reset the user ID and password. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so after the login ID, he will. I'm going to that screen. Whatever the screen he has opened, or some if he has maintained the setting, so he can view that screen. Okay, so let me tell you some about the screen navigation. So we will go to the SAP Easy Access screen. So what is the SAP Easy Access screen? You can see here the SAP Easy Access, right?
Okay.
So the
Sir, where is the option of SAP Easy Screen?
yes, so
Can you
yes,
please go? Yes. Yes, sir.
this you can see here SAP Easy Access.
Yes.
Okay, so we call it whenever we start with the SAP transaction, or our the uh, object, whatever we are doing in the business. So we have to start with some of the transactions. So here are the couple of options. We call it, this is the SAP Easy Access. So what is the meaning of SAP Easy Access? Here you can go to the transaction by this. Here you can see the blank rectangular field. Here you can write
Yes,
down
sir.
the transaction code. Okay, so
Okay.
some of the transaction SAP has created to go to directly to the session. Okay, if I am going to create the purchase order. Okay,
Hmm.
so the transaction is the ME21N is the transaction to create a purchase order. Okay, so if you are entering the transaction, we call it this rectangular field transaction bar. Okay, so
Okay.
we enter here the transaction and we press enter. It will take us to direct on the PO creation screen. You can see here the start application of create purchase order, right?
So, sir, this
So
number is this transaction in the transaction bar. The transaction code is generated by the uh, SAP itself. It's like
transaction
there is a
SAP,
yes, sir.
yes, let me tell you, SAP has given lot of transaction. Okay,
Hmm.
to run the business.
So there is a
So
particular transaction code for a particular project.
yes, I will tell you who the transaction from where we can go to find out all the transaction. Okay,
Hmm.
so we will go to step by step. So I am going to give you the all overview, so that you can also find the all of the transaction. Okay, by your own
Okay.
way. So here we call it, where we have entered the transaction code, we call it the transaction bar, where we enter the
Yes.
transaction code. Okay,
Hmm.
and
Okay.
here the lot
So
of option.
this bar is only used for the transaction to type the transaction code.
Yes, yes. So let me go to again the same screen. Okay, so that I could tell you more about that. So this was only for entering the whatever you want to. If you want to create purchase order, if you want to create bill number, bill invoicing, if you want to raise the some kind of a request. So okay, so if you are going to receive any kind of a good, if you are going to give a payment, so here we can enter directly the transaction code. We call in short term in SAP we call T code. Okay, T
Okay.
means transaction and code means the whatever we are using the option to run the business transaction. Okay,
Okay.
so
Okay.
so here we call it transaction field where we enter the lot of transactions. So here when you will click here lot of transaction, you can see I have used that one. Okay, so it comes to into the memory. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so this is the transaction bar, and here you can see the multiple options. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so so we will go to one by one. So if you don't remember the transaction, okay, because it took time to memorize anything into our mind. Okay,
Yes.
so
Yes.
if you don't want to remember every time, there are multiple options. Okay, so
Mm.
you can here the menu path, you can see the SAP menu here.
Okay.
So in SAP menu what you can do, it's go to the logistic. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and here you can see the material management, here you can see the purchasing. Okay,
Okay.
here the purchase order you can see, and when you will click here you can see the create here. Okay, so when you will create the purchase order, okay, so what will
So,
happen, it will directly run the transaction also.
so these options are already given in this bar.
Yes, yes. So why we call it SAP Easy Access? If you want to run the transaction directly, so you can directly run the transaction here. And if
Mm.
you want to go to by menu bar, we call it menu bar where you can see the tree structure. Okay.
Mm.
So
Okay.
so you can go to directly by these bar options. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so here the directly option to change the purchase order. Okay, so when you will
Okay.
run the transaction, it will automatically take you to the transaction. So some of the people prefer to go to the transaction, some of the people to go
Mm.
by the menu path because
Menu bar. Okay.
yes, yes. So but after the some time people are habitual with the transaction code. Okay, just in business just 10 or 15 transaction usually the people use regularly, so 10 or 15 transaction is not tough to memorize. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so
Okay.
so these two ways to go to the transactions. Okay,
Mhm. Okay.
so also here you can see the multiple option which I am using. So here the one of the, but I let me go to again there. Okay,
So in the
here you can
change, hmm,
yes,
in
yes,
the
it is
change
it,
we can edit any information.
yes, yes. So in SAP, what is the here? Whenever you want to change, there are three basic formula in the SAP. I told you ME21 for creation of purchase order, right?
Yes.
So if you want one for the creation in SAP, if you find one in the last of any transaction, so basically most of the transaction if it start with one, that means it's for creation. Okay, and
Mm.
if and is the two, that means change, and
Mm.
if and is three, that means display. So if you want to see which transaction I have opened, you know that I have opened the change one. Okay,
Okay.
so you can see here the transaction for change is ME22 because last two. Okay,
So can you please repeat it again? One, two, and three, wala.
yes, yes, yes. So what is the one means creation, two
So
means
it is
change.
a one, two, just like you said that there is a transaction code. Just like we have
Yes,
the transaction code for the purchase order ME21N.
yes,
Okay, then you said there is a change option and in the menu bar,
yes,
and with that option we can change the material in our created folder or a created bar.
yes. So you can see here the three option: create,
Yes, change
change,
and
and
display.
display. So
Okay,
create transaction I told you ME21. Okay, and change
okay,
means ME22, and let me open the ME22 so that you can understand
okay.
here. Okay, directly.
ME22N.
Yes, so
So it
two
it is
if
a Okay, ठीक है sir. Means कि it is a part of purchasing, and the main code for the purchasing create is ME21N, and
Yes.
then for the change ME22N.
Yes. And ME23N means display.
Display. Okay,
Yes.
sir.
So you can see here the also the create change display. So one, if one is in the last, that means create. Two, if it is in the last, that is change. ME23, that means it means the display.
Okay.
So
ठीक है sir.
it's a 90% of the transaction SAP has tried to create it, so that there are couple of options the SAP has given to create. If some created wrongly, then it means change, and if we want
Okay.
to just display, then it's a display option.
So
Okay.
basically, if I want to change something in the purchase, so I can go in the transaction bar and type the ME22N.
Yes. Just let me tell show you. Okay. ME 20. So let me go to the easiest. So one option is also SAP has given this transaction. There are nothing is hidden in SAP. Okay. So if you want to find anything, you have to just press F1 keyboard.
F1.
Okay. You have to push the cursor there, and then you have to press F1. Then it will tell you what are the option here. Okay. So let me show you all the options here. So you can see here I have pressed F1. It will tell you about all the transaction detail of the transaction bar. Okay.
Okay.
So it's opening, because it's the test system, and the system is the around 240 GB. Okay.
So it takes time.
Yes, so 240 GB is a very enough
Heavy.
space. So
Yes,
yes,
sir.
I am directly using this SAP in my system. Okay, test system, and the database is also in my system. So it's taking some time. Okay.
Okay, no problem.
Yes, so you can see I have created just F1. I have pressed. There are couple of options you can see here. So
Hmm.
what you can see here, the slash n, and then the transaction code. Okay, XX is the transaction code. Okay.
Okay.
So what is the meaning of slash n? N means next. Okay.
N means
So
next. Okay.
yes, so if you want to close any transaction, and if you want to open this XXX transaction, so you have to just use as a prefix slash n. Okay.
Okay.
So older transaction will be closed and new transaction will be open. Okay.
Okay. So we
So
can do just like I type in the transaction code
yes.
ME21NN,
Hmm.
which is a purchasing code. Then I want to go in another code. So
Yes.
वहाँ पर slash n करके then उसका code type कर दो just.
बिल्कुल
So it
आपको
will go.
स्लैश एन वही यूज करना है। क्या करना है, अगर आपको कोई ट्रांजैक्शन खत्म करके नई ट्रांजैक्शन खोलनी है, न्यू ट्रांजैक्शन
Okay.
खोलनी है, तो आपको
Okay.
ट्रांजैक्शन के आगे स्लैश एन लगा देना है।
इसके बिना नहीं हो सकता सर, जैसे कि हम बेसिकली कोई कट कर देते हैं, किसी क्लोज कर देते हैं उस विंडो
हाँ
को, तो ऐसे नहीं
हाँ,
होगा
वही
इसके अंदर?
देयर आर कपल ऑफ ऑप्शन। आई विल टेल यू
ओके
ऑल दी ऑप्शंस। हाँ, वो जो सारे ऑप्शन मैं बताऊंगा, एसएपी ने जितने वे दे रखे हैं, आई विल टेल यू एवरीथिंग। ओके,
ओके सर,
what I
ओके
know. So slash o is also here. O means other screen. If you want to view the same screen, okay, you don't want to close the existing screen and you want to open other screen. Okay.
मीन्स
So
मिनिमाइजिंग.
yes. So you have to just open. You have to just use as a slash o
स्लैश
in
ओ.
the yes. So slash n means new screen, older screen will be closed. Okay, and
ओके
slash o means other screen, and with
एंड न्यू
existing the
स्क्रीन.
last one whatever we have open. Okay.
ओके सर.
So here you can see also the SAP has explained to end the current session you have to use slash n. Okay.
Sir, what is this in the second number? That is slash star x66.
So these transaction means if you have some initial screen and you want to skip that all. Okay, it's not regularly used, but I will tell you how it's work. Okay.
Skipped option. Okay.
Yes. So just whatever we use regularly, let me tell you each of everyone.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So slash n, I have already explained. Slash o, I have already explained. Okay. Slash I, that means if you don't want that current transaction, that means it will delete that transaction.
Okay.
and if you want to open another screen, so these are the transaction. We can also use this transaction in the transaction, because I have just pressed F1 in the transaction bar. It's helping me to find, explore all the options. Okay,
Okay.
so nothing is hidden in the SAP. You can just press F1 and you can find out all the
So
options.
we can
Okay.
basically say that if we got confusing somewhere, so we can
Yeah.
press the F1 and we get to know कि इसमें क्या क्या features है, so that we
बिल्कुल
can further use it.
परफेक्ट,
Okay.
बिल्कुल परफेक्ट, आपने एकदम सही समझाया है ना.
Okay, sir.
तो अब we can see here the couple of options. So I am going to the same option so that I could explain more options. So here you can see this, the we
Folders.
call it save button, save button. This is.
ठीक है sir.
So if you want to save any transaction after removing, so you can just press, it will save the transaction. Okay, so because we have nothing change here, so it's showing no data change. Okay,
Okay, sir. So
so
in this we can save the data by pressing Control plus S. That we
yes,
did
we
in
can
the.
also use, we can also use the control S. Okay, and we can also use the same.
Okay,
Okay,
okay, sir.
this is the button for save. Okay,
Okay.
so because I have changed the quantity, I am going to save that. It will, because I have changed the data, so change will be the same.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
so it's saving the data into the database. As I told you, it's 240 GB around, so it's taking time.
Taking time, no
So
problem, sir.
yes, so let's discuss the other option. So you can see here the green button, back button. We call it back button. If you want to go
Back
to the
button.
back, okay,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
so you can click it and go to the back screen. And here you can see the yellow screen of the arrow marks. Okay, so
Okay.
this screen will be used for if you want to end this transaction. Okay, so
Yeah. Yellow.
yes,
Yellow is for end transaction.
yes, you will end this transaction and go to the back option also. Okay, and
Okay, sir.
here by mistake, if you have entered some wrong transaction and you want to cancel it, so
Hmm.
you can cancel by this red options, cancel button.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
This
so
only cancel the transaction and not the whole page which we have
yes,
saved.
yes. So here you can also see the multiple option. So here the print option is this, we call it printer option. Here this is the print option. Okay,
Hmm.
so let me take it to the back. So this button is used for the back, so we have go to the back screen. Okay,
Okay, okay, sir.
and if you want to end this, so you have to just click it and you will, it will go to the previous screen.
Okay, okay, sir.
And if you want to end this transaction, so you can cancel this one also.
Okay,
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 so it's cancel also. Okay, and
okay,
this
sir.
is the SAP easy access screen. Okay,
Okay.
if you
So,
want to print,
yes,
yes,
sir. Can you
yes,
go forward? जब आपने start करा था SAP Easy Access. So
yes,
from where we get this option to start the SAP Easy Access?
yes. So what we have done, if you want to, if you press just slash n also. Okay,
Hmm.
so whenever you will enter, only the SAP easy screen will come here. You
Start
can see
SAP
the
Easy
start
Access.
easy access. So
Okay,
when you
okay,
will click, it will come here.
okay, okay, sir.
Okay, okay. So here you can also see the multiple options. So these option used when you have opened any kind of a document in the SAP of multiple pages. Okay,
Hmm.
so suppose if you have 100 page in the purchase order or 15 page on the purchase order, and you
Hmm.
have open, or you want to go to the first page, so you will just click on this double arrow sign. Okay, and you will
Okay,
go to the first page.
okay,
If
sir.
you want to, if you want to go to the last page, so you can go to, by this option you can go to the last page. And
Okay,
if you want to go to one by one to up and one by one to down, so you can use these both options.
okay,
Okay,
sir. Okay,
so here, and another option, when you are talking that how can we create another session, so you can see this is the star sign, create new session, you can see. Okay,
okay,
so if you press click on this, it will open another screen. Okay, so
okay,
another
sir.
GUI. Okay,
Okay,
so this is also used, and one way also to open new transaction. Here you can see the menu bar. Okay,
hmm.
so in menu bar you can see also here the couple of the option you are able to see
Create
here.
role, display role. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. So you can also use this one, okay, option
So
to.
create role means say we have
So I will explain you in some of the other session, okay. So
okay, okay.
it's a okay. So one by one we will go to there. So this
Mm-hmm.
was the transaction bar. We call this is as a transaction menu bar, okay. And this is the top menu bar, okay. So here are the couple of the option. So here is one of the important session. You can see here the favorite, okay.
Okay.
So if you don't remember any transaction and if you want to save the transaction, here couple of option you can see here, the insert folder, instant transaction, okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
let me show you the if you want to create your own folder, you can create here your own folder. I am
Mm-hmm.
taking it your name, okay, here. So
Mm-hmm.
you can also take your name here and you can save this one. So whenever you will save, your folder will be created in this, okay.
Okay. So we can
And
save
if you,
our data in this folder.
yes, if you want to add the transaction here, you just need to press right click here, okay.
Okay.
And
And
when you will
insert
place,
folder.
it will also same, you
Insert
can add the
transaction.
transaction. So I am going to save the ME21 and for
Mm-hmm.
creation purchase order. So
Okay.
you can see here in the Astha, it will come here the create purchase order, okay.
Okay. So the
And if
when we save this in the answer folder, then ये जो पहले में था means कि it is in the purchase part.
हाँ हाँ,
तो फिर
तो
वहां
ये
से
अभी,
रिमूव हो गया होगा ये.
हाँ नहीं नहीं, ये वहां भी रहेगा, वो एसएपी ने अपने स्टैंडर्ड वे दे रखे हैं, अब आप अपने काम के हिसाब से बना रहे हो तो आप इसे यूज कर सकते हो,
Okay,
ओके.
okay. So it
सो
may be it a kind of copy paste type.
yes,
It
so
is
if
copy
you
paste in
if
other folder.
yes, if you will double click, it will directly open the transaction here,
Okay, okay.
okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay.
you need not to memorize everything, okay. So
Mm.
for just time when you will able to understand, then you can save your folder, create your folder, okay. And some of the time you can also, if you want to change something, if you want to delete, if you want to add and more. So I am just adding ME22 also here
Mm.
for change purchase order.
Mm. Right, sir.
So when I will enter, you can see the change purchase order
Okay, one thing, sir, I want to ask.
here. Yes.
If I directly click to the change purchase order and I want to, sorry, not change, create purchase order and I
Yes.
want to change in that one, so फिर उसके लिए
Okay.
भी हमें अलग कोड यूज करना पड़ेगा.
Yes, so if you want to change in another order, so you have to just click here, double click, okay,
Hmm.
and here one of the purchase order will open, so you can change in your own purchase order, okay. So here is the option, you can see here
Okay.
the multiple option here, so you can enter the number and you can change it in the purchase order.
Okay, okay. So I can change that particular purchase order.
Yes, yes. So by default, only one purchase order will come from this change button. You can see in every SAP screen the same button are there. Okay. So here
Okay.
you can see the this button here, other purchase order. You can see
Purchase order.
the other
ठीक है
document.
sir.
So you have to you need to just click on this and you enter your purchase order and press enter. It will come the another purchase order. Okay.
Okay, okay sir.
So basically these are the option I have created, the also told you how we can create our folder, how we can create
Hmm.
our the transaction, how we can use this transaction bar, how we can use the SAP menu bar, how we can use this transaction menu bar, and what are the option here in the for the favorite, and other option I will tell you in other classes.
Sir,
Okay.
one thing I want to ask. So
Yes.
we go to the change purchase order and we click to the purchase number of any order. So
Yes.
suppose if I forgot it, yes sir.
Yes,
Suppose
yes.
I
So we,
forgot some
yes.
transaction number of purchase. So how can I find that I have to change this number?
Yes, yes. It's a very good question. We have a multiple report in the system. Okay.
Yes sir.
So those are the part of our class. Okay. No one can memorize any kind of a number. Okay.
Hmm.
So we have SAP has given lot of report for that. Okay. So day wise report, material wise report, vendor wise report, okay, user
Okay.
wise report. So multiple report are there. So you need not to remember any purchase order. It's not possible to memorize the numbers.
Hmm.
Okay. So multiples our orders are there. We will take it in we have a class for the report session. Okay. So
Okay, okay, sir.
we will. So today was just agenda to tell you about all the starting feature. Okay. So how we log in into the screen and what are the prerequisite at the time of logging the screen. Okay. And what are the options in that? What are the transaction code? What are the transaction bar? What is the menu bar? How is the SAP easy access? And what are the option to help out to go to the use the slash n slash o and other. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So I will share you the index. Okay, the topics which we are going to cover in our class. Okay,
Okay.
and in the meantime I have shared you also my YouTube channel also. Okay, I will share you
Yes, right.
once time more also to you. Okay,
Sir.
so
Yes.
I will share you report so that you can also take the help of my YouTube classes are there. Okay,
Sure, sure,
and
sir.
we will also replicate the same session so that you can create for your own data. Okay, and you can
Okay,
check.
sir.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay. So if you have any doubt, you can ask to me.
Mm, uh, uh, no, sir, all clear.
Okay, so because I am going to close this recording session because it will take a lot of size. So
Sure, sure.
when I will, so it will take lot of time to upload. Okay,
Mm.
so
Okay, sir.
in